Hi, it's another month of excellent posture in the Strong Bones Challenge Facebook group. And I'm Susanna, here with a short routine to address your excellent posture. This can be done every day, or you can alternate it with other excellent posture exercises throughout the course of this month. But my goal is to come out of September into October just a little bit taller. So let's begin in Tadasana or mountain pose with your feet a few inches apart parallel. Root down in 2 feet. So really feel the soles of your feet on your floor. You can do this on a floor. You don't need a yoga mat. Press down. But do see if you can find the big toe mound, pinky toe mound in the heel of each foot, and then draw your toes up. So we're starting with the feet because the feet are our foundation, and it's key to excellent posture to have healthy, strong feet and good balance. So I'm pulling my toes up, strengthening the muscles of the feet, as well as pressing down. And now relax the toes. From here, we draw the energy up the legs. So tighten the muscles around your kneecaps a little bit, your thighs, your hamstrings, your butt, your glutes. Yep, squeeze ever so slightly. Not a big deal, just a gentle squeeze. And now arms can relax right beside you. Really relax them. Let them be loose. Next up, navel to spine. Don't make it relax. Just draw the navel in without a big deal. So that's your core. Take 2 fingers, place it on your chin. Ramp the head back just a bit. I'm going to show you where we don't want to be and where we want to go. So if you see yourself or your loved ones with their head jutting out, we definitely don't want this. We want to ramp it back, okay? So we've got our head in position, and now those same 2 fingers can go to the very crown of your head to where your fontanelle was, and we're going to press the head up into the hands, the fingers. So fingers are just slightly touching your hair, and you're pressing up, all the while keeping your chin parallel to the floor. Arms are relaxed beside you, and here you are in your perfect, beautiful posture. Now we'll exercise the muscles to maintain this posture by moving the arms up. So take a big breath in through your nose and rise your arms up. And then you can reach up, pull the shoulder blades up, and stretch in this particular mountain pose you've got going here. Now draw your arms down and into the shape of a W, and draw elbows into rib cage and extend out again. And this part is a moving exercise. The W, pull the elbows in, extend out on an angle. And when you pull in, squeeze your shoulder blades together and then extend out again. So we're doing this about 10 times, I think. I'm really bad at counting, so we'll just do as many as feels good. So stretch it out, pull it in, inhale and exhale. Squeeze the shoulder blades, feel that pinch in behind you. And I think that'll be enough. Relax your arms and really let it go. So relax, relax, relax. Shake it out. Shake, 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 shake. Thank you so much. We can do this every day or alternate this routine with other posture exercises throughout the course of the month. If you are new to my YouTube channel, I welcome you and would love it if you would subscribe. You can click the subscribe button. And everyone, I love it as well if you would give this video a like, thumbs up. I very much appreciate your likes. And if you're not yet a member of the Strong Bones Challenge Facebook group, if you go below here, you'll find a link where you can click and request to join. We'd love to have you and support each other in our Strong Bones quest. That's it. So thanks a lot. Be strong. I'll see you next time.